I'm just waiting for my 50 subscribers. Guys, please support. And then I will start my real talk about my life story uh, since 2014 until this time. Okay? Kung ano yung mga nagaganap sa buhay ko, kung ano yung mga good and bad happened to me. Okay? Either my job, my um, relation, yung mga ganun. So, I will share and I'm ready to answer all the questions. And excited na rin ako na i-reveal lahat yun. Kaya, please subscribe and support. Thank you!